with this big beast, 1987 Suburban. I'm about to take it apart and clean. Missing a headliner shell, and the one he was hoping to reuse is most likely too warped. I started picking up all the loose parts and car parts, put them in a box, and thought I should catch a clip of this before I clean it. If you've been watching me, you know I clean all the door jambs. I'm an interior guy, but it's the first part you see when you open the door. I like things to look clean when you open the door to see my interiors. And I do the seats. I'll be painting the tracks, cleaning all the parts individually. Wow, it looks like we might have a busted seat frame. Most definitely. Yep. Alright. He wants to do something different in the floor for the cargo area. And this thing's fairly simple. It's just huge. Still have two of the door panels attached. I'll remove those, the seats and the carpet, and really damn near sprayed this thing out with a hose pipe. I definitely have my wash bucket. Go over these door jambs. Alright, I'll show an update on this one soon. Thanks for watching.